Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for FET FETCH.AI price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So looking at FET with the daily chart. On the daily chart we can see, of course, with FET almost like here WXY, 3 waves towards the downside with 3 waves towards the upside, where your wave B for this expanding flat of course has overshooted your start of this flat. By all means, if you are an expanding flat here, you are looking for a wave C. Your wave C needs to be 5 waves impulsive. Right, so in that case scenario, of course, this is your bearish scenario where you are looking at 1, 2, and looking for 3, 4, and a 5. In your bullish scenario, you have finished a running flat here where your wave C has ended already with 5 waves towards the downside. By all means, you are here with this running flat. You have finished your wave C, which is exactly in the mid finishing of your flat. In this case scenario, you want to see, of course, higher prices and move towards the upside, which we have see a wave, an impulsive wave towards the upside, where we can see exactly here a formation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, claiming that a wave 1 has ended. In that case scenario, of course, you are looking for a wave 2 here in the green box for those fib levels and moving towards the upside again. In case that you are still bearish scenario, of course, this plays, of course, a bigger wave 2 towards the upside. Still want to hit your wave B here, this wave B, of course, which it is your wave 2 as well, where you want to hit, of course, between the 0.618 and the 0.5 fib level, which is perfect for a wave 2 and perfect for a wave B at the same time. However, if your wave 2 is impulsive here, has started impulsively, that might mean, of course, that this is your A, you're looking for a B, and you're still looking for a wave C finishing here after having 5 waves towards the downside, finishing your wave 1. By all means, after having 1, 2, you want to see again 5 waves towards the downside. This is again your bearish scenario, of course, after reaching higher prices. Now, of course, if you are much more bullish now, you want to see a reversal at these fib levels, of course, to move on with your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take a look on the 1 hour chart, where we can see, of course, much more closer what is going on. Now, of course, this is our latest impulse here, where we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave 5 has ended with a diagonal, ending diagonal, and then we are looking again to a diagonal. After this, we are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing a wave A or a wave 1, of course. However, this is much more possible, a wave A, because you have already a diagonal. 5 waves towards the upside, you want to look for 3 waves after it. And of course, because it could be very possible a wave A, therefore we are in a zigzag, where you have hit perfectly your wave B here with the fib levels and the time and the fib time as well, with 3 waves towards the upside. However, we are now looking, of course, for continuation towards the downside. Now, we cannot really consider this is an impulse, because your wave 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, your 4 has interfered with your zone 1. Therefore, you have to consider that this is your A, B, and this is a wave C towards the upside, finishing a 3 waves towards the upside, and we are looking towards lower prices now with 5 waves, of course, hitting around these fib levels for a wave 2. It is very possible, of course, to hit before here the green fib levels. It is very possible to hit only the 0.38 or the 0.5 fib level for a wave 2 in a form of a zigzag. However, it is much more preferably and based on the fib time to hit, of course, these levels, which it should be around the 28 or 30 October of this month. So that's it for FET. To recap, of course, we are now still looking in both scenarios, bullish and bearish scenario. We are still looking a little bit for lower prices. In case we are bearish, then you of course want to even look for higher prices after hitting those fib levels, finishing 3 structures here. You are looking for a little bit higher here and then a move down again. This is your bearish scenario. Your bullish scenario, of course, you want to still look for a little bit low prices and then you want to move up impulsively towards the upside after having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By all means, you're still looking for a short-term bearish and then move up in both case scenarios. And this is it for FET. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments and likes. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.